About this item includes 1 coaxial cable with F-pin connectors and US manufacturer's warranty for quality assurance, tested and approved for the use with cable modems, televisions, satellite receivers, off-air antennas, including HD antennas, compatible with DirecTV, Dish Network, Comcast, Charter, Verizon FiOS, AT&T, Uverse, FTA, OTA, Usenet, Wild Blue, Exceed, cell phone wireless extenders, and many other services and providers. Low loss cable for exceptional signal and picture quality, even over long runs. Works great indoors and outdoors, with a highly durable weatherproof and UV resistant PVC outer jacket. High quality consistent 75 ohms throughout the whole cable. High quality, weatherproof, outdoor rated connectors will not pull off, break, lose signal, or come loose, and are waterproof using a redundant double seal at each end of the connector. Each connector has an attached rubber weather boot to ensure